I don't have to be at work tomorrow. I'm gonna take a little adventure, I think. Oh, I am wide awake now. I showed up here like halfway through a baked potato coma. It was not cool. It's okay though. Nothing wakes you up like Kung Fu. A little bit of Bai Mei does the body good. I had problems with my hip flexors about a year ago, and then I started like practicing little stretches and stuff, and I started doing Qigong. And you know, your mileage may vary, of course, but I got pretty decent mileage off of it. Oh, sweet. The gods are smiling down upon me. But yes. Man, I haven't eaten at Checkers in a hot minute. Oh, it's a crescent moon. Looks like a lemon. There's a lemon wedge in the sky. But yes, about a year ago, I was having pretty major problems with my hip flexors. So much so that I got a custom cane commissioned. I still have it. It's a... Oh, so that's where those sirens were going. Oh no, they hit the jacks. Oh no, somebody at the jacks had a heart attack. The paramedics is here. Shit. I don't even know what the speed limit is through here, dude. There's not a sign or shit. I think it's 40? Yeah, it's 40. So I'm going under. It's all good. It's all good, man. Saul Goodman. Did you know that you have rights? Oh, that's the place I keep seeing on Facebook Marketplace with all the fucking beaters. Hell yeah. I might... That's that really that close to the academy, huh? It always smells a little bit like something's on fire out here. I'm willing to bet that something is on fire out here. Back to what I was saying, again. About a year or so ago, I was having issues with my hip flexors and like my hip deteriorating. So I started doing Qigong and a little bit of yoga and stretching. And it turns out a lot of my problems were not in the bone itself, but were like with the muscle groups around it. I'd gotten a cane made and I had stopped really doing anything with them. And like, yeah, the bones are still messed up. I am still a disabled person. Let me get out of this person's way. I don't look like it most days, but I am. So during the winter and like late fall and early spring, I carry a cane because it helps me get around. And there's no shame in that. Hell, sometimes I carry a cane regardless because it's nice to have. And sometimes the weather doesn't mean anything and my hips just say fuck it. I started doing Qigong and I started doing yoga. Not like crazy yoga, just like lotus pose and fucking like downward dog and shit like that. And my hip flexors started to improve. And now I'm doing fucking Kung Fu and they're getting even better. I can do this thing where I stand up on one leg and like yank the leg that is hung up, like the one I'm holding. Like I can put my arm up under my knee and yank it up and it pops the hip that I'm standing on. And it feels fucking great. Oh shit. I almost target fixated into the curb. That's what happened there. I'm putting that in. We call out our L's here so we can improve later. You are never a master. You are always learning. That is something a lot of people don't seem to understand or just outright refuse to. Oh, what's going on down here? Is that a street sweeper? What's happened? Oh, there's road work. All right. Hunan Walk is still open? It's almost 10. They're probably about to close. I don't know. I ordered from them on like at midnight on New Year's Eve one year. Like it was 2020. I had COVID. I got COVID over Christmas and I had it all the way through the beginning of the new year. It was the wild type and it was fucking terrible. And not as bad as Delta. Delta almost killed me. But wild type was a motherfucker. But I ordered from them and because of, you know, COVID fucks your taste buds up. Everything kind of tasted like mop water. And it's like, there's no way it's actually mop water, you know? But like, I haven't been back there since. Maybe I should give them another shot. I used to live down this way. This way is awesome. I love it down here. A few of my partners still live down here. That's great. It means I have a little hub of operations that I can like fucking deploy my dumb little motorcycle from at any given point. It's pretty good stuff. A lot of people where I live now are terrified of the city. They're terrified of it. They're terrified of the people down here. These are good people. Most of them are. Criminals are everywhere, man. Violent people are everywhere. People in little tiny towns tend to not pay attention to each other, and that lets people get away with some fugly shit, bro. Ooh. I can't explain it. Like, I don't know. Maybe the experience of having been a little, like, trailer park kid and then moving down here and then having to move back to, like, basically the same part of the fucking town. Not a good time for Wizzle. Not a good time at all. Was I supposed to turn here? Or is this a lane? This is a lane. Okay. What is that? That's a hole. Okay. Like, the city low-key kind of boring, but, like, it's home, right? Like, even if I left the state, left the country, left the planet, this would always be home. And that's the fucked up part about it. Like, I can make a home somewhere else, but the way this place smells, the way it moves, the way the lights are filtered through the smoke from the goddamn chicken house will always be a vibe for me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.